Some FM Area Diversion project components were getting finishing touches this month, while work on other parts is just beginning. I'm Tom Fuchs, the Metro Flood Diversion Authority's Senior Construction Manager, with this month's construction update. The diversion inlet structure is nearing completion as the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers prepares to turn over the structure to MFDA later this year. Once the entire diversion project is operational, gates on the structure that's south of Horace, North Dakota, will open to allow floodwater to enter the stormwater diversion channel and pass safely around the metro area. Ames Construction, the contractor building the structures, has been busy completing the finished grading around the site, as well as installing fencing, gates, and lighting at the control building. On the structure itself, crews have been installing stairs, railings, catwalks, as well as mechanical equipment, electrical controls, and wiring. The remaining portions of the structure, including the gates, are also getting a coat of paint. East of the structure, Industrial Builders, another Corps of Engineers contractor on the project, is raising a 4.2-mile stretch of the interstate out of the 500-year floodplain. We can see work is wrapping up at the Borrowditch bridges and along the new southbound lanes of I-29. Once the paving, topsoiling, signage, and striping are completed, traffic will shift to the new lanes as the contractor moves on to finishing the northbound lanes. Farther north, our public-private partnerships construction arm, ASN Constructors, continues excavating the 30-mile-long stormwater diversion channel. To date, more than 6 million cubic yards have been moved. As the channel excavation progresses, work continues north of Harwood, North Dakota, where wick drains are being installed at the approaches to the new County Road 81 bridge. At this site, construction on multiple embankments is also underway, creating temporary bypasses for I-29 and County Road 81, and a temporary bypass or shoe fly at the BNSF Hillsboro subdivision rail line. Once completed, traffic will move off the existing alignments to make way for 4 new bridges spanning the completed stormwater diversion channel. Further east, ASN Constructors broke ground on the diversion outlet, where the downstream end of the stormwater diversion channel meets the Red River. The diversion outlet will eventually feature a rock arch rapid structure covering the last 4.5 acres of the channel in more than 30,000 tons of riprap. For perspective, that much riprap would cover 9 feet of shoreline around the entire circumference of Minnesota's Detroit Lake to a depth of 1 foot. The project will also contain a series of 22 boulder weirs to prevent erosion and provide biological connectivity once the project is operational. You can stay up to date on all these areas as well as others by following the project on social media or subscribing to the Diversion Current at www.fmdiversion.gov/subscribe.